In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and adjust your Chrome browser settings to ensure your microphone works seamlessly with Google Docs. This can be especially useful if you've been experiencing issues with voice typing or if you're setting up a new device. Let's get started. First, we'll want to dive into your Chrome settings. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. In the upper right corner, you'll find three vertical dots. Click on these to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new tab where all of your Chrome preferences are organized. We're on the hunt for the section that manages privacy and security, so look for and click on Privacy and Security in the menu on the left-hand side. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll notice various options, but we need to focus on Site Settings. This area controls what information websites can use and what content they can show you. Click on it and then scroll down until you encounter the section specifically for the microphone. Click on Microphone. Here, you're presented with a list of sites that have requested access to your microphone along with permissions you've granted in the past. It's important to make sure that Google Docs, which uses the URL docs.google.com, is permitted to use your microphone. Browse through the list and ensure that Google Docs is included and labeled as allowed. If it's not, or if it's under block, you'll need to change this. Simply click the arrow next to the site's name and set it to allow. Next, it's crucial that you're using the correct microphone device by default. This is particularly vital if you have multiple audio devices connected to your computer. In the microphone permission section, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select the appropriate microphone. Choose the one you use most often for a clear and effective audio input. After making these adjustments, it's a good practice to restart Chrome to ensure all changes take effect. You can either close the browser and reopen it, or if you find it necessary, restart your computer for a fresh start. Once your system is back up and running, open Google Docs in a new tab. Now we'll test everything to make sure it's working properly. In your Google Docs file, navigate to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down, select Voice Typing. A small microphone icon will appear on the left side of your screen. Click this mic icon to begin voice typing and check that your words are transcribed accurately. If everything is set correctly, you should see your speech converting to text in real time without any issues. And that's it! You've now successfully configured your Chrome settings for optimal Google Docs voice typing. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving any microphone issues you've had. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions.